Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Parkwood Elementary School, home of the Timberwolves, the T-Wolves, here in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. And it was an amazing day getting to share my heart with all the students and staff, 3 separate assemblies. The focus was on bullying. Look at the heart first. We had them in the cafeteria in different age groups, so age-appropriate content, whether it was TK to 1, 2 and 3, or 4 through 6. Gets a little more heart heavy as I go up in age, but the main premise of the talk was trying to impart on everyone's heart the need that we have to be all in for this planet and really show that kindness, right? Especially if it's shown to us, we got to go out and try to live that change, right? Gandhi talks about being the change you want to see in this world, but the actual quote is you must be the change you wish to see for this world. And when it comes to doing that, if we want more respect or kindness here at our school, here in California, anywhere, we have to be that kindness and be that respect, right? And I love their acronym here, PAUSE. We have positive actions, accountability, we have work ethic, and support. And I really tried to focus on the support piece because, we really need to support one another. We have to see each other for our heart before anything else. We need those heart-to-heart connections. And our heart's as big as our fists, but if we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign, right? That one finger is ourself, the other someone trying to lift up higher than ourself, but how we choose to treat, ourself and others, but also 2 seconds, because in just 2 seconds, one action, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, we can lift somebody up so high as the clouds, that it stays on their heart in a positive way forever, right? If we say something kind, or conversely, we can say something so negative, so mean, that it stays in their heart in a very mean way for the rest of their life. So we have this choice, right? No matter what we're going through, have gone through, will go through, any pain in our heart, we can always choose kindness. We can always choose greatness, right? We can turn that pain into love. So I talk about a big reason why bullying happened, that hurt people, but healed people, heal people. And if we can understand that and know that we can let that love fully enter into here, then that's what it's all about, right? Because it's not always easy to see someone for their heart first, but when we know that all that truly matters is within here, that's really all that counts. Mark Twain, the famous author, said that kindness is the language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. And yes, they can't really hear it or see it, but they can feel it, right, in their heart. And so like Dr. King has also said, this being Black History Month and learning about MLK recently, on MLK Day back in January, he said to stick with love. And we have to stick with love and know that darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. And that hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. So rise above that hate, be able to know that we can always show compassion no matter what, be that best friend to others. That's what this was all about. So thank you all for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again in the near future. Have a great school year, great 2024. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.